Your new C-Class is equipped with a new generation steering wheel that puts several key functions literally at your fingertips. The C-Class has a fully computerised instrument cluster in addition to the multimedia screen in the centre of the cabin. For the first time, both of these screens can be controlled directly from the steering wheel. On either side of the steering wheel are controls that respond to tapping and swiping, a bit like your smartphone. You can change the trip information, select a new radio station or song, and even set the navigation, all without taking your hands off the wheel. To change the display in the instrument cluster, press the Home button, then use the control to scroll through the options for what you would like to see displayed in the centre panel. Tap the control to select your preferred option. By swiping to the right, you can change the digital display to show a map. You can also change the appearance of the instrument cluster. There are several themes to choose from. With the new steering wheel, you can set the cruise control and speed limiter functions. On the left side of the steering wheel, an identical control can be used to swipe and tap around the multimedia screen. From here you can move around the menu, set the navigation, search for a phone contact and more. You can also use the scroll wheel to control the volume or mute audio. And there are toggles to receive or end a phone call. You can even access your preset favourites. It's now so much easier to keep your hands on the wheel while still accessing all the information and functions your vehicle has to offer.